So here I've got a Chevrolet Express in a DHL livery, and it's from the brand Diecast model 596. Comes in a 1/64 scale. Are we familiar with this brand? Well, I did a review about another model from this brand, and that's this Humvee, and I was pretty surprised about the quality and looks of it. So it has a metal body, it has a metal base, it has rubber tires, good rolling wheels. It even has an opening part with some colored details in the engine. Lanced front lights, we got lanced rear lights, it is weathered. So I thought this is definitely a winner. And then I found out this brand has more models, and one of them is this van. So let's have a look at it. The DHL logo here on the side. Picture of the van, limited to 1,500 pieces or 1,499. So no barcode or whatsoever, so I don't think it's a licensed product. Yeah. Let's open up the plastic. Oh yes, this is looking very good already, because I see something that dude likes. What's that? Well, I'm going to show you. Very well packed, by the way, in a box package. It has a license plate. I like that. That is really nice. Lanced rear lights we see. Oh, we got a bit of yellow paint here at the bumper. Very good rolling wheels. Fuel cap, I think. Glass in the side windows, and we got side mirrors. Yes, and there's a silver sticker on it. I like the rims, by the way. They look pretty authentic. And also a license plate in the front. Yeah, this is definitely a winner for me. Here on the side, we have no opening parts at this one. But we do have a very nice metal base and good profile on the tires. Okay, let's have a look at the interior. Basic seats. Yeah. Looks very good to me. Good steering wheel. Yeah, very nice. This is a really cool van. And it looks extra good. I'm going to put the camera a little bit closer. If we put this figure next to it, a DHL figure. This one is available on AliExpress. Already did a review about it a while ago, and it goes pretty cheap. So you can look it up on my YouTube channel, DHL truck with figure, and I think I placed a link to the store where you can buy the figure and this truck, because the truck was also available in that store. Pretty simplistic man truck, no side mirrors. This is made out of plastic. Wheels are also made out of plastic. Base is also made out of plastic. Yeah, this is the brand RMZ City. Did I say that right? Yes. Armset City Toys. 2 wheels in the back, I like that. And you can open the back. Yeah, DHL brings a lot of packages at my house, and even this one was delivered by DHL. Okay, so let me know what you think about this van. And if you like it, I've got good news. Because here in the background, I've got the Sheriff Edition. And on top of that, I got another 596 Humvee. And I'm going to place a license plate on it. So this one comes with a license plate, but I don't believe that a Humvee comes with a license plate because, yeah, this one also had no license plate. But maybe because it's weathered. But nothing at the back, and I don't think the other one comes with a license plate. But here it has a very cool looking license plate. Yeah, I like that. Pretty cool brand. And I hope that they come with more cool diecast in the future. And if so, I'm definitely going to do a review about it. For now, I have to say, smash the like button, click, click, click. Thanks for watching, and have a very nice day. Bye.